The Solly Wrap is safety tested for babies from 8 to 25 pounds. No minimum age is required. Start by finding the center tag on the wrap and placing it flat against your sternum. Gather about half the width of the wrap. Take one side and bring it around your waist and up across your back to your opposite shoulder. Repeat on the other side. Make sure the fabric stays flat and untwisted to form an X on your back. Bring both ends forward and pull them through the front panel. Pull everything snug so the wrap hugs your body evenly. Cross the ends in front of you to create an X on your chest. This sets the height baby will sit at, so make it snug. Wrap both ends around your waist as many times as is comfortable for you. Then tie a double knot wherever is most comfortable for you. Hold baby and start with the inner strap, the one closest to your body. Guide one of baby's legs through the strap so the fabric sits behind their knee. Then place their other leg into the outer strap the same way. Let baby settle into a deep seat with their knees at or above their hips in an M shape. Then take the first strap and spread it wide across baby to cover from knee to knee. Repeat with the second strap, keeping the fabric smooth and evenly distributed. Pull the middle panel up over baby's legs and back all the way to their neck. Baby should be upright, chest to chest with you, and fully supported. Adjust the shoulder fabric if anything feels uneven, and support baby's head and neck if needed. If you have a newborn, start in the classic carry position, then pull the bottom edge of the front panel down over baby's legs and feet for a little extra snugness and support. For extra head support, you can gently use one of the shoulder straps to support baby's head when needed. Once baby has good head and neck control, around 5 months or older, you can let their arms out over the top of the wrap. Around this stage, many parents find a structured carrier is a better fit as baby gets heavier and more active. Before heading out, use the T.I.C.K.S check. Make sure baby is tight and secure, in view at all times, close enough to kiss, with their chin off their chest, and their back supported in an upright position. Keep checking in on baby every few minutes while you're out.